ever, what this say? Hold on, I have to read this good enough. I can't see this right properly, you know. Never have I ever tell lie pan pum pum. Oh my god. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs here and I'm back with another video. I said I'm back with another video for you guys. So what's up? Y'all read the title, y'all know what to expect. But first and foremost, please like and comment on the video. Okay, and if you're new, please subscribe and touch the bell to get all notifications from a real Jamaican YouTuber. You see me I say? Yeah. You know guys, you've read the title. This is Funny Jamaican, Never Have I Ever. Now these are some very, very hilarious, outrageous things that you should never have done. Okay? Well, I'll see a few of them right here. My friend sent me them. Yes, so guys, like the video from now, and if you're new, please subscribe and touch the bell to get all notifications. You understand me? Let's get straight into this Funny Jamaican, Never Have I Ever. First up on the agenda, never have I ever, what's he say? Shit a bush. Okay, never have I shit a bush. Let's leave a country. Shit a bush. For those who don't know what I mean by shit a bush, like doo-doo. Do the a bush, do the a bush, or do the in the woods or whatever for you guys in America. In the woods, basically. Go shit in the woods. Shit in the woods. We can't even talk good. Anyways, never have I ever done that. No? Well, I have. Yes, I have done that. I used to live in the country. I used to live in St. Ann, for those who are from Jamaica. So yeah, I have done that shit. Yes, I've done that. Anyways, I'm gonna spend too long on that. Next to the next one now. Never have I ever steal food out of the pot. No, everybody's supposed to do this. Everybody's supposed to do this. I've done that. I have done that. Guys, you need to answer the questions to the comment section also. So never have I ever steal food out of the pot. You understand? No, I think I have done that. This AC chicken, thank you Lord, I was sweating.
Saying that shit don't phone. I don't need no fucking rock. How I get so hot, I'm so hot.
But anyways, I have stealed dumpling. I have stealed chicken. Put it in your pocket. Every Jamaican probably do this already. Yo, like steal some dumpling or some chicken to the pot, drop it in your pocket, and I run out of the kitchen, and you get burned. Put your leg right there, so. You know, everybody know what I'm talking about with that. Not gonna get in depth with that. Let's get to some funny ones now. Some of the funny, juicy questions. Okay, guys? Never have I ever. What this say? Hold on, I have to read this good enough. I can't see this right properly, you know. Never have I ever tell lie pan pum pum. Oh my gosh. For those Americans who don't know what I'm talking about, never have I ever tell lie or told a lie on the pums on the. What them call it up here? Tell lie say I have sex with a girl basically. I don't want to call it pum pum over here. But never have I ever tell lie on pum pum. Yeah, we do that. Oh, I'm telling yo, like you're actually with your friends, right? I said, brother, you're sure you're not that girl? Or that girl look good? Or you're not a girl there? And you get nothing from her. Me, no say me never get nothing from she, but I want to tell my friend and say, yes, of course, me do that. I mean that. Every Jamaican man supposed to tell lie pam pum pum. None of them can tell me to not tell lie pam pum pum. Okay. Next one. Enough long chattings. Never have I ever smoke some weed. Weed. Yes. No long chattings with that. Everybody's supposed to try weed once in them life. Yeah, do that shit. Yeah. Never have I ever steal money. Of course. It's like I've done everything on this list so far. Never ever stole money. Wait, from who? Well, I find money somewhere. I never carry it back. No, I've never stolen, but I've just never returned money that I've found. Understood? Yeah. Okay. Shit. How much question again? Oh, it's 10 questions. Number 6. Never have I ever poop and say someone else. Oh, basically pass gas and blame someone else. Everybody's supposed to do that. In a casual room settings like all this right now, and some people around just poop and send them. And you poop and just look around, so. Yeah, look. Everybody do that. I've done that enough times. I've done that numerous times. This is not just Jamaica. Shut up. Anyways. Ooh, I have a spicy one right there. So all them Jamaican man, this one basically, most Jamaican man probably do this already. Never have I ever try and look your friend girlfriend, and if you're one girl, try and look your friend man. Never have I ever done that. Tyreek. Hold on, I forgot my thinking card. Hold on. Thinking color. Hard. Okay. You try it? No. I've never done that before. Guys, I'm a perfect guy, you know. I don't really. I'm just Tyreek. I don't do nothing wrong. I've never done that before. Come on. Okay, next one. Never have I ever cursed in front of your mom or your parents. Like curse a big bumbo cat in front of your mother. Curse a big bad word in front of your mother. Everybody, listen, I do that because I know that Americans are watching. I want to hear that sometimes, and really YouTube don't really see that as a matter. Anyways, in front of your mother. No? Never do that yet. Well, probably I should watch one of my videos then. If my mom is like watching one of my videos, and yes, that is front of, that's cursing in front of her, yes. But other than that, like in a settings like my mom is right there, no, I've never done that before. I feel up to this day I will still get a right hand. No, my mom doesn't beat me, but I've never done that before. Why would I curse in front of my mom? Nah, have you done that? No, you know you have some unruly Jamaicans out there, you know, we don't give a damn. Them cuss anything, anywhere, anytime, any hour. But not me. Okay? Next. That one I lit. Never have I ever dogo a bush. Well, I cause I never there already. Oh no, not there, sir. Never have I ever dogo a bush. If you do, alright, Americans, never have I ever had sex in the woods. But Jamaicans, never have I ever dogo a bush, like do it in the bush. Have I? No. Yeah. No, look, it's an adventure, but I've never done that before. I need to go back to Jamaica, yo. Yeah. I've never done it in the bush. Interesting. I need to go back to Jamaica, yo. But I've never done it before. If you have, let me know how was the experience and thing. I've done it at the beach though. Night beach though. That was lit though. Like if you never got the beach, go do it. If you have never done it at the beach, for your life gone. We done talk. This is the last one, guys. Are you ready for the last question? Now, Jamaicans, this is mainly for you guys. This is like, yo, every little rude pitney at Jamaica supposed to do this. Every little kid in Jamaica is rude, or a grown man supposed to do this already. But never have I ever watched someone never have I ever watched someone taking a shower. Like, they live next door to somebody and look over the zinc fence so fast. For me spoil it over here at the bed. Here's me iron girl pan John over here. No, not John over there at the bed. Just I give you an example, but never have I ever watched someone take a shower. I've never done that. Why am I gonna look past somebody a bed? Every Jamaican probably do this already still, but not me. I've never done that. I
don't need no fucking rock. How I get so high, I'm so
Night I'm used to the back. this before. I've done this before. I've watched someone shower before. What? It's not my mom. It's not my family though. Shit. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I'm trying to get back with the vlogs and all, guys. I'm trying to put out the videos. I'm trying. It's just a lot of things going on inside my house right now. As you can see, I'm not in the house. I'm outside doing this video because it's where I'm comfortable doing my videos. And y'all know the situation already if you're a real OG subscriber already. Anyways, like the video, comment on the video, and if you're new, please subscribe to get more videos from your boy Ty. And yeah, my God. Whoa.